Hello and welcome to the Ribble Valley Group kitchen. We've shown you two dishes so far with the paella and the beef Wellington, but today we're going back to basics to show you our take on a beef burger. Now this is a dish I'm sure most of you have already made, but we're going to show you how to make our epic beef burger from scratch using a variety of ingredients. What you'll need is 4 rashers of bacon, 500 grams of minced beef, 1 packet of shop-bought halloumi cheese, 4 tomatoes, 3 red onions, half a lettuce and 2 freshly baked brioche buns. First of all, we're going to make the burger mix. You want to take 2 out of the 3 red onions and dice them. So we're going to cut them in half, like so, and just nice and finely dice them. We're going to add these to the burger mix once we've diced them. All the onions do is add a little bit of crunch to your burger, along with a bit of added flavour. So you want to add all those to your burger, to your mince. Now it's time to cry. Now we want to season the burger mix. So a nice bit of salt and pepper. And then we're going to add a little bit of breadcrumbs to the mix. And a couple of pinches of paprika. Give that a good shake. Start mixing it in. And then, secret ingredient, Heinz ketchup. Other ketchup is available. Good squirt of that. Now for the fun part. You want to mix all of this together with your hands. Trying to mix everything in. It all starts to come together to make your burger mix. You might be wondering why I put some tomato ketchup in there. I like it as my own personal secret ingredient because it adds a little bit of acidity to the burger mix as well as binds it all together. Now we're going to press the burgers out to make your burger patties. We have a fancy press, but you can just hand mold them if you like. You want to take your press, open up your press, grab a little bit of burger mix, a good handful. Put that into your press, push down until all your mix starts to go everywhere, and then give it a good press with the top, and out it comes. Giving you a nice pressed burger. Do that again. So we're just showing you an example of 2 burgers, but the mix will make up to 6 burgers. Push that in. Good press down again. Nice good sized burgers then. And there we go. So now we've made the burger patties, we want to chill them for 30 minutes. It just makes them firm up nicely and they cook better in a pan. Let's cook the bacon. So you want a nice hot pan, a good squirt of oil in there, and then add your bacon to your pan. Just get that sizzling nicely. I don't want to teach you how to cook bacon. So we're going to cook this for about 10 minutes, crisp it up nicely. Once it's done, flip it over, put it to one side, we'll use it again later. The bacon is nice and crispy, we're going to put that to one side and use that again later. Now we're going to cook your burgers. So you're on a nice hot pan again, good bit of oil, Then grab your burgers. Don't forget, season them before they go in. And then in we go with your burgers. Seasoning again on your other side. So you can see the onion inside the burgers. It's going to give it a nice crunch when you bite into it. That tomato ketchup will start running all the way through all the meat that's in there. And your mince, you don't want a lean mince, you want a good bit of fat in there as well. Because the fat, that's flavour, that's all you want. Beautiful. So we're going to keep cooking them on one side until you start to see a little bit of moisture come through the top of the burger. Then it's time to flip it over and we'll be nearly ready to go. So these burgers, we're cooking them in a frying pan. You can do them on a barbecue, on an open fire, anywhere. Now when you're frying them, you'll start to smell the paprika coming through that we put in. Just adds a little bit of spice and colour to the burger mix as well. Press them again, we'll start getting a bit of moisture through, and we're going to flip this burger over now. Get your slice right underneath it and then go all in one. Don't worry about the crisp bits on the top, that's all flavour, is that perfectly caramelised. Now those burgers are nearly there, we're going to add the bacon that we pre-cooked earlier to the pan. So you just want to grab a couple of pieces of bacon, get them in. We're just going to reheat them slightly in one area. Create a little bit more room because we're now going to put the halloumi in as well. My favourite cheese. Squeaky cheese. Adding all of this to your pan. Yeah, again, you can barbecue it. Barbecue your bacon, barbecue your cheese. All doable. Give that a good shake. You start to get a nice cook on your halloumi. Flipping your bacon over. Once you feel like your bacon's warm again, only needs a minute or so in a pan, pop that on the top of your burger. Take your slice, just check your halloumi. Perfect, look at that. Give it another little shake. Once you've got a good sear on the other side of your halloumi, place that on the top of your bacon. And there we are, done. Now it's time to put it in a bun. So now it's time for the final build. We've cooked the burger, it's time to put everything together and eat. So you want your bun, open up your bun, grab your lettuce. You want to shred that down, nice and thin. And pop your lettuce on the bottom of your bun, there like that. Grab your tomato, slice your tomato. You want a good 4 slices on each burger that you do. There we go. And my favourite part of a burger, a gherkin. Some nice slices of gherkin on there. Grab your last onion that you've got, cut her in half, some nice little slices of that, and sprinkle that on there as well. Now it's time to put your burger on. Grab your knife, pop it underneath, up on the top. Put your lid on. Always have a trusty skewer nearby. Pop that through. And there you go. The perfect burger. Now for the best bit, tasting. I've been looking forward to this all day. Oh yeah. So we serve our burgers with fries and coleslaw. What do you have with yours, and are there any ingredients you didn't like today? Let us know in the comment section below. We're back again next week with a special guest, Dan from Bar Events UK, where we'll both be making a Jack Daniel's honey pork steak with accompanying sides. As ever, if you like what you see, then like and share this video to show others the Ribble Valley Burger. See you soon, bye!